You can just put up a poster at ICML and nobody will stop you. FedEx is all you need. Jimmy Neutron, Chet GPT-4, and Ada Grad. Background: a perennial problem in machine learning research has been how to most effectively have a poster at ICML. In this arc, we show that one can bypass open review via a simple FedEx trick, similar to yet entirely different from the kernel trick in machine learning. This represents a substantial improvement over the prior SOTA. Oh, here's the site. You can just put up a poster at AI Stats. Oh yeah, someone did this at a different conference, I see. Research question: can you just put up a poster at ICML? Answer: yes. Oh, okay. Main contribution: we introduced a novel FedEx attack on the conference review system. Hastily designed a poster in a hotel room. Print it and bring it to Thursday poster session. Surreptitiously mounted on an unused board. This attack opens new avenues of research into defenses, including embodied human agents, fine-tuned to detect and remove spurious content. This is a strong exploit. One of the most robust I've seen. Future work. For simplicity, this work treats and consists of a poster with only one layer. Yeah. Only one layer here. Future work will focus on deep posters with many layers. Oh. That's pretty good. The free lunch theorem demonstrates that one can secure a poster at ICML without any discernible work or innovative contribution. Formally, oh, I don't even know what the fuck character this is. Denote this poster and let the paragraph symbol denote the set of posters presented at ICML. This theorem states then some shit. The following is a short sketch of this proof. FedEx trick. Your reading this demonstrates this result exactly matches experiment. That's hard to disprove. As is customary, we also include an additional theorem unrelated to our main contribution. Yeah. This is true poster shit. Like, you'll be in a poster hall at a conference and you'll start asking about like some piece of thing on the poster and you're like, well, what do you think about this? And they're like, you know, that's what we're working on right now. Like, okay, what are your thoughts? Yeah, we're working on that right now. All right, okay. So, anyone feel that? I feel like half my posters were like that. All right, here's some empirics. Oh, empirics. All experiments were run on a Game Boy Advance running Arch Linux, okay, which allows our methods to easily extend to edge compute cases. Determine the poster width using a hyperparameter grid search with a grid size of 1 as is standard. Oh yeah. Here are the results. This is the grid. This poster. Knowledge scaling curve and poster area. Typical results, and here's the theoretical fit, and here's theirs. Oh. Boxes don't have round edges, not a conference poster. True. There's not enough rounded edges here. Maybe they were using Google Slides and not PowerPoint, you know? The FedEx attack is all you need. Anyone see when I posted an adversarial attack on ESPN? So there's this so we were kind of afraid that because where the camera was put, they sent us this Zoom sponsored war room cam. We were afraid that the camera was gonna point towards a part of the wall where there might be stuff that we didn't want anyone to see. If someone was using something like an MNIST or some simple text image ripper from video, we wanted to make sure we prevented that. So I ended up posting the classic adversarial patch on the wall. That way, if there was some sort of image classification attack, then we had an adversarial patch ready. So that's so this is over here. It was 5 head. I did have to convince the entire room of scouts what an adversarial patch was, which that was its own thing. I got memed on a little, but it was for the best. Yeah, well, that's the thing. I was like, it's in the spirit of InfoSec, so I was like, we're doing this. And then like a couple people were like, no, that's a good idea. We should do that. And then some people were like, what stops someone from just typing down the names? I'm like, that's a great question, man. I don't know. I'm just trying to help, you know? It's like, back in high school, some of my friends, when they would ride their bikes, they would lock their frame to the bike rack. But some people would come in and they would take the wheels off your bike. Like, they didn't need the frame, they just wanted the wheels. It's like, what stops someone from just stealing the other shit off your bike? It's like, what good is the frame without the wheels? I kind of got flashbacks to that moment in my life. I was like, oh yeah, we're helping. And then it's like, sure, you got the bike frame, but they got the wheels now. When you're a part of an amateur draft and you're protecting the information in the room, remember my words, and maybe it will click. Can you jump on the bed so we know it's not a green screen? What are you talking about? See? I couldn't do this if this was a green screen, you know? You know? I couldn't do that. This is so stupid.